welcome to our 2001 International 40-foot rear engine bus. My name is Ben McIntyre and this is Buster. So let's go ahead and I'll give you the tour.
Good.
What matters is what you leave in that ring and what you take back with you. And you know what that is? Pride and knowing that you think you're best and you're doing it for yourself, not for me, not your father's.
Sorry about that. Kid left the TV on.
I can see in your eyes.
As long as it wasn't music, I probably won't get a copyright violation.
Yeah, no, you're okay. So this is the front of the bus. This is basically where we are most of the time. We've got a couch here and then a couch here that's also a bed. There's storage underneath as well. I've got a DVD player down here, a Blu-ray player that is connected to the TV that's right behind you.
Right. I like the plants.
Yeah, those are just from IKEA. So this is our little bar area table. It can pull out and flip over to a table. But we usually have it just like this so we can have our coffee, our little coffee station. Then we've got the kitchen here. Still working on putting a sink in, but we haven't really decided where exactly we want it. But this is some nice storage that we have. Full-size fridge here, and then the microwave.
It's a little.
Yeah, so this is just a little extra storage. There was some room behind this set of cabinets, and I didn't want to lose the area, so we put kind of the longer things in here, like the beverage holders and the hot dog
smart move
roasters. Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, I don't want to waste any cubic inch.
Yeah, you want to use every little bit. So yeah, that's the kitchen, and then this side here, as I said, we've got the full-size fridge and then the microwave up top.
I usually use this mostly for camping. And
sure. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, we camp pretty much every weekend in the season, and then you know, we kind of use it for extra sleeping if we have company over and things like that. Yeah. So we're a family of 5, so we have 2 sets of bunk beds back here. Pull this out of the way. And we've got a set of bunk beds here, and then so 1, 2, and then there's a mirror image of the bunk beds right here. So you can see the kids just kind of climb up and they get in the beds. And then back here, it's hot today, so we have the fan, so you have to kind of sneak around the fan. But this is the rear of the bus here, and we've just got the queen size bed, storage underneath. And then we've got some lights here that we can, you know, turn on and off. And then there's a switch over there too. So that way we don't need to crawl over each other to turn the lights on and off. But you know, that's basically it. That's Buster right now. We still got a decent amount of work to do, but for the most part, it's come a long way.
All right. No, you don't have solar, right? You just
no solar yet. No, we haven't done that yet. I do have a generator at home, but I haven't put that in yet, so we'll be able to kind of boondock once we get that hooked up.
Sure.
The solar would be something nice in the future to get done.
Yep. Well, there's a couple of buses around that have been running their ACs on solar. Just a matter of having enough. Yeah. It seems like that would take a lot of juice. So this area right now is just kind of storage. Right now, it will eventually be the bathroom. We kind of use it as like a closet storage area right now. Said in many videos, Skoolies are never done; they're done-ish. Yep. And bathrooms tend to be the things that get done last or redone so many times. Absolutely. Yeah. So that'll be hopefully the end of the summer, the fall, maybe over the winter. But so that's kind of the last big thing. We painted it this last spring, so the paint job outside is new. Now, do you have any social media or something that if people wanted to get a hold of you, ask questions, or? You know, I don't at this point. Not really a big social media family yet. Yeah. All right. So. Well, I always ask because you never know. So. Yeah, absolutely. And I see a lot of other people that have buses
kind of do that. They have the links.
I like what you've done so far.
Well, thank you.
Yeah, very nice. Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely.
I hope you enjoyed the tour of that latest rig. I will have a new one next Saturday. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified. So make sure you don't miss them. Lots of cool rigs coming up this year. See you down the road, my friends. Stay safe.